To come over here, you have to be careful. There's no poison ivy right now here because it's not grow, the grass not growing fully. The poison ivy is probably still. And there's a tilapia. I know he's running away from the camera. But I can get him closer. Run, boy. This is nice fun, nice sight. I wonder if there's a tilapia in there, Jasmine. You wanna check? Careful. Go to the other way. It's right here.
I know you're driving, Mom, but I'm not gonna drive. Thank you,
Oops.
Jesus, for helping me.
That's nice.
There's a lot of bugs here. What are those? Is that no Sam?
Oh, I don't know. Is it moth? I think
They're biting me. Oh,
they are biting you.
stop it.
Don't lose Ate Jenna's bow.
And there's a lot of trash here.
I know. They're not taking care of the nature. People just don't care about nature. Some people do, but
I
of
care
course
about nature.
we do,
So why do they do this to the nature?
because there's other people don't care. Just care about themselves.
Look, this fish, do you see that? It's moving.
I know. There's some fish in there. This is big pond, so there's gonna be fish in there. There you go. Jen's struggling to Rocky. I got you, babe. I got you from here. You think you can skip from your wife? Yeah, it is a big pond. Right, Jasmine? Oh, there's a lot of bugs. Yeah, it's a big pond. I'm sure there's a fish in there. Rocky swimming? Wow, that's surprising. He swim. Don't worry, baby, you're not in. Char. Char lang char. You're not in right now, but earlier. It's so big pond in here. You're not in earlier, but now you're in, babe. Right here. Rock, rock. Go swim, rock, rock. He's happy. That's why he's crying when we're leaving. He said, "Oh, don't leave me here. I'm supposed to go." This is a big pond, right, babe? Do you think there's a fish in here? There's a fish in here?
Yes.
Oh, what kind of fish?
Little fish, minnows,
Minnows.
maybe sunfish.
Probably Eric doesn't know this one.
Probably not.
Hey, Rocky, where are you going? You're gonna caught on the bushes in there. Spring. You can tell that trees starting to bud. Warning, no swimming, boating or ice skating. Oops, warning, don't tangle me. I wonder what it is. Is this another road? Probably to go to the school.
Oh!
Church.
No, no, no.
What?
We walk from here and then go to over there. Oh, that's not.
She's annoying to walk.
Oh, I know what this place is.
What?
We usually go
That's school, right?
Church.
Ah, it's church.
we usually go there and then go over there where the
Yeah, I
pond
want to go
is.
down here. Back to the house.
Yeah, because let's go.
Let's go there.
We're not gonna go back all the way there.
No, we're not.
We're right.
From there? Yeah, it's a big size pond. I am not. Stop videoing you. I'm not videoing you, Char. Charot. May charot. Dinala mo kami dito sa kagubatan eh. Uh-huh. I think from Eric's went to the other way.
Yeah, I think
Hmm?
What's tomorrow?
Sunday.
Have school?
Hmm?
Do you have
No.
school? Oh.
Sunday has no school. Only Monday through Friday.
I like Friday days. You know why?
What?
They're the weekend.
Yes. It's the end of the days. Weekdays, right? I love too. I love it too. Because it means I have to rest in the weekend. The tree?
No, look at the
What?
sky with the trees.
Oh yeah.